Hello, everyone, and welcome to Future Fuel. I'm Carolina Soto, and I'm an investment manager at Future Energy Ventures. Today, I'm interviewing Knut Johansen. He is the founder and CEO of one of our portfolio companies. And welcome today, Knut.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Carolina, and looking forward to this session.
Perfect. So today's episode will basically analyze or discover how human intelligence and artificial intelligence are coming together to add values to utilities. So let's start with the first question. So Knut, what's the problem that you're trying to solve?
Yeah, what we focus on is inspection of infrastructures like power lines and transformer stations, and it's three main challenges we address for our clients. Firstly, manual inspections are risky and time-consuming and difficult. It's often based on non-uniform data, several data formats, and multiple systems. And secondly, it requires a lot of hours to inspect thousands of images. And it's very difficult for the subject matter experts to manually detect all defects. And finally, AI is not a silver bullet that will automate the inspection processes entirely. So the question is how to use AI for assisting the user the best possible way.
Oh, that sounds really interesting, and I really like the term that you just mentioned, that it's not the silver bullet, not the answer to all of the questions of utilities. How is eSmart systems solving this problem? What do you do with artificial intelligence?
Yeah, what we do, we have a solution called the Grid Vision. And Grid Vision is a eSmart's AI-based system for inspection of infrastructures like power distribution and transmission systems, and a dedicated system for component recognition and defect detection. And the core of Grid Vision is the way we use our world-leading AI technology to assist the utility subject matter experts so they can make decisions faster and with higher quality. So this collaborative AI approach changed the users into superhumans, as we like to say.
Wow, very, very cool. And what's the impact of Grid Vision? How are superhumans now then coming to life?
Yeah, when it comes to the impact, the climate impact. Let's start with the operational and investment impact. What we see here is that the utilities can save quite a lot of operational cost and investment cost, and also contribute. The system will contribute with positive climate effects also. So, for example, by avoiding manual inspections, the number of truck and helicopter kilometers will be significantly reduced, which means much lower emissions from this type of activity around the globe.
Yeah, very, very interesting. And I remember you mentioned that basically your system can help humans process images much faster. Do you maybe have an estimate on how would it usually work with humans, and how does eSmart Systems Grid Vision make it faster?
Yeah, absolutely. As I mentioned in the beginning, one of the challenges for the end users in this area is first of all to inspect just one image manually is quite a big job because you have to go through into all the small details, and if you have thousands and hundreds of thousands of images, it's very, very time consuming. So what we do in the system, the system are able to find all the defects and also kind of classify them and based on severity classes. So that means that it's very easy for the user to kind of dive into the system and go directly to the most difficult parts of the bugs or the defects directly without kind of lose time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is super interesting. And maybe one last question for you. It's how do you envision a carbon-free world?
Yeah, I mean, what I hope for is a world where we can live and work and travel without destroying our planet. But on the contrary, contribute to sustainable development according to UN's 17 sustainable development goals. It's so difficult and so easy in a way.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more with you. I think building a world where we could happily and healthily live without worrying about these things, but of course with the use of technology we can achieve this. So yeah, that sounds really good. Well, Knut, thank you so much for your time. It was really interesting, and I really hope to see you soon.
Thank you for having me. Thanks a lot.